This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we're assembling the diner gable box. Um, it holds mini cupcakes. So I've got all of my pieces laid out here. We have our panels, the insert for the mini cupcakes, and our base. So I'm just going to start by putting together this canopy top. If you would like it to be striped, there are two pieces in here that you add on to make this a striped canopy. Oops. Okay. So then let's just fold our box on all the score lines. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and glue these two together and then put the panels on before we close it up. So you just want to line this up just right up as close to that score line as you can get it. There we are. So you have a piece here for each side. I need my scissors. Looks like this one didn't cut very well. And there's just a slight border around each one of these pieces. Okay. And then I'm going to glue this right in here. Okay. So let's go ahead and put these on. Oh, that side's cute too. But I think I like the other cherries better. Now this is from my fabulous 50s kit from way back when I first started designing, so I have updated it a little bit. The same with the other pieces. Learned a lot since I first started designing. Like I said, there's just a slight border around each piece, so you just want to eye that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody's going to tell it's not exact. And now when I do these, I'm just kind of following a line across. There we go. This one's really quick and simple, but it's cute, and it would make a really cute party favor. It's quick and easy enough to make multiples of these. And then for the top part, I'm only going to put glue on the top. I'm going to leave below the score line unglued. Just going to kind of bend that so I get it in the right spot. Like that. And again, I'm just gluing the upper half. It's more than half, the upper 2/3 of this one. I'm not gluing the whole thing down. I'm just holding this folded. Okay, and now we're going to glue it shut. Oops. Fold it both ways, make sure that's glued down well. And then this has a bottom so that you are able to unfold it and store it. Okay. So now this piece, this is what's going to keep your cupcakes from sliding around inside the box and making a mess. It's just a simple one tab. That you're going to glue. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and put glue on all 4 sides because these tabs are quick to put into place. Okay. And then this is just going to slide right inside the box and we're finished. So you can see this was very quick. And this is going in tight. So you just want to get it level. Okay. And just put it right in the bottom. Okay, and there it is. Close it up, then it looks like a little diner. And that is the mini cupcake diner gable box. Thank you for joining me.